If you're running a business, you know that understanding your users is key to growth. Today, we're diving into Mixpanel, a product analytics tool that claims to offer insights into user behavior, but does it really deliver? Mixpanel is designed to help businesses track user interactions across their websites and apps. At its core, it provides detailed analytics on how users engage with your products. Think of it as a window into user behavior. You can set up custom events and track specific actions, which gives you a clearer picture of what's working and what isn't. The user interface is pretty intuitive, making it accessible for both beginners and seasoned analysts. However, I did notice that while the dashboard looks clean, some features could use clear explanations. For instance, the segmentation options are powerful, but they might feel overwhelming for new users. Mixpanel targets product managers, marketers, and data teams, aiming to help them make data-driven decisions. But there's a fine line between offering robust features and making things too complex for less technical users. It's definitely impressive in its scope, but some areas could be better clarified. Let's break down the strengths and weaknesses. On the pro side, Mixpanel excels at providing detailed insights and tracking user journeys, which can be invaluable for optimizing your product. The ability to create custom reports means you can tailor your analytics to your specific needs. On the flip side, the pricing can be a bit steep for smaller businesses, especially if you're just starting out. Additionally, there have been some concerns about the learning curve. While the tool is powerful, it may take time to fully grasp all its features. Some users have also expressed frustration over the lack of transparency in data privacy policies, which is something to consider if you're handling sensitive information. Overall, it might not be the best fit for every business, particularly those that prefer simpler, more user-friendly solutions. In conclusion, Mixpanel is a solid choice for businesses looking to dive deep into user analytics and make data-driven decisions. However, if you're a small business or just starting out, the cost and complexity might steer you towards simpler alternatives. It's worth a try if you're ready to invest in understanding your users better.